Hi. Myself Subham. You are watching my channel Silent Trader. Today I am tracking India Bulls housing finance. And I am using Zerodha platform for chart. Using 5 minutes chart time frame for intraday trading. Look at the chart carefully. Price going direction is negative. CCI on positive direction. RSI on flat area and almost on positive direction. Okay. Let's check the CCI and find the breakout level with attaching a line on a top to middle hook. We are going to purchase the stock at 134.6 area. Let's check the chart after few minutes later. It's hit my target, which is 0.3%. And I booked the same trade at 134.95 area. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel and share it to your nearest one. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more live tricks and updates.